Hey guys, and welcome to my unboxing of a Colt M41911 Ops Kit spring powered powder. No, it shoots BBs. Rifle and pistol. Comes with pistol and M4. So let's see what it's got. It's got 210 feet per second, quarter of a joule, spring powered, maximum range of 22 yards, mag capacity of 12 BBs. And the accuracy 18 over a quarter. Okay, it's got a bonus paper targets, a bonus flashlight lampy, bonus 500 BBs, billets, and all of that in French. Seal of approval. So, well, anyway, anywho, let's get on with the talk and off with the box. So, swing. See here, somewhere around here. There. All this wrapping up. And more loud and annoying. Okay. Come on, foam, piece of foam. Oh my god, dropped it already. Good thing it's in foam. Warning! Some stuff that I need to read later. Some targets. Lots of them. Alright, accessories, clip. Another clip, handle for handling, butt stock, flashlight, probably needs batteries, of which I have 500 green BBs. Colt 45 pistol. Alright. And come on. The actual M4 itself. Warning! It's made in China. Attention. They want attention on this rifle because it is sweet. Just like that. Got a little scope here. Thingy adjuster for elevation. Yeah. Thank you for checking out my unboxing. Subscribe for more.